Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey genius, anybody can find within 15 seconds? Hey, my viewer is very genius. Come on, viewer, time is over. Are you genius? Find 80 within 15 seconds. Yes, my viewer is very genius. You found it? Hey legend, can you find 50 within given time? Wow, amazing! Good job! Come on viewer, check your IQ level. Yes, you found it. The correct answer, PM. Hey viewer, test your eyes. Yes, your eye is correct. You found it? Hey genius, check your observation skills. Time is up. Hey viewer, find the odd number 46 within given time frame. Wow, amazing, you found it. Wow, spot the odd camel. Wow, that's great, you found it. Check your brain within given time. Time is up. Hey genius, are you focus master? Time is over. Test your visual skills. Wow, good job. Anybody can find within given times. Next, medium level start. Find the odd number within given time. Wow, that's great! Hey, you ready? Find the odd letter within given time. You found it? Impossible to find the odd number within given time. I know this was impossible, but you found it. Can you find the odd one? Amazing! This one is the odd one. Genius, can you find the odd one within given time? Really, you are a genius, man. Which one is the unique? Can you find it? That's great. This one is the unique. Genius viewer, attention here. Can you find the odd number? Really, you are a genius. Can you pick the odd one within given time? Wow, that's great. You pick the right answer. One letter is different. Can you find? Hurry up, viewer. Time is up. You found it? Hello, legend. One number is different. The question is very hard, but my viewer is very legend. Check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji? Wow, you found the odd emoji. Hey viewer, check your brain. Wow, that's great. Your brain like ChatGPT. Now, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Can you find the odd number? Hey, you found the first question? Check your IQ level in hard question. Wow, amazing! Your IQ level is very high. Test your eye, find the odd number within given time. Check your observation skills, find the odd letter. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Let's now identify the odd number within given time. Wow, you identified the odd number. Hey viewer, test your visual skill. Hey viewer, test your brain power. Hey legend, can you see it? Amazing, you see it. The last one, brain test, find the odd number. Wow, your brain like a computer.